Phrasal verbs are combinations of verbs and prepositions or adverbs that create new meanings. Stand up means to rise to your feet from a sitting or lying position. This is the basic physical meaning we use every day. Stand up describes the action of moving from sitting or lying down to standing on your feet. When the teacher enters the classroom, students stand up to show respect. We also say please stand up and sing the national anthem during ceremonies. All students stand up together for the anthem during school assemblies. Sometimes people feel dizzy when they stand up too quickly after sitting for a long time. We say stand up straight when taking photographs to look our best. Stand up specifically means to physically move from a lower position, like sitting or lying, to an upright standing position on your feet. This is different from just standing, which means already being on your feet. The up particle shows the upward movement. Students stand up when the teacher enters the classroom as a sign of respect. After surgery, patients sometimes cannot stand up right away because they feel weak. The movement from sitting to standing requires balance and leg strength. Stand up to has a completely different meaning. It means to bravely confront or defy someone more powerful. This shows courage and strength of character against bullies or unfair authority. A brave employee stands up to his boss when treated unfairly. Activists stood up to injustice to fight for their rights. Standing up to someone powerful requires confidence and moral strength. Stand up meaning 1 is to rise to your feet from sitting or lying down. Stand up to meaning 2 is to bravely defy or confront someone powerful. Practice both meanings to master these important phrasal verbs.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.